today we'll try this workout Wednesday, what we say, challenge. This is infographics. So what they have made are something like this. It's a coffee menu. So you choose any particular coffee in here. It will give you what are the ingredients. So it has only 2 ingredients and basically about the origin and about that coffee. You choose any of the coffee. This image will get shaded based on the ingredients and will have that option details about it. To get this infographics, we are getting the details from 2 sources. First is this website. Here we have the details that we saw, the text for each coffee, and then we have this Excel that has for each coffee what are the ingredients, ingredient 1, 2, 3, 4, the value and the color of it. So we'll try to make it like this in here. For here we are actually using a SVG file. So once we start working on it, I will let you know how to get this SVG file. Okay, first we'll connect to our data source. So get data web, copy this website. So we have these tables. So basically it treats the complete website and it shows what all data we have in the website. So for our usage, we'll just use table 3. Click here, we'll do some transform data. Rename this column as, okay, before renaming we'll do first. Basically we just need name, we don't need the serial number. So what we'll do, right click and just build column by delimiter. Our delimiter is dot and we'll do okay. Now we'll remove this column. Now I will rename it. Copy. And this table is done. Now for this Excel table, right now we don't have any authority to edit this, and so it's hard to connect. So what I will do is just copy the data. Go back to PowerBi and manually input the data. So now we have both the tables, the coffee and the ingredients. And then we'll just create a link between them. So drink is basically the coffee. Detergent, minor reviews. Okay, yeah, sorry. Before that, we need to do one more thing. In this, if we see there's a space before black B. So in the delimiter step, we need to change something. So delimiter, instead of just a dot, we'll say dot and space is a delimiter. And now there's no space at the start. So it will match with our ingredient value, and we'll have a proper linkage between them. This is about data. And then let's talk about how we have to create this this visualization. So basically, this is a third-party visualization. It is pure with infographics. And here, either you can develop your own SVG file and use it for infographics. So basically, they have given us a step how you can create a SVG file in the PowerPoint. So basically, they have given the example of this windmill. So you can create this kind of structure in windmill and then save a picture as SVG. Once you are done, then they have given the steps how to import it in Power BI and do it. So we already have that SVG file with this challenge. We can download this SVG file. I have already downloaded this. So what we'll do, we'll just get more visuals first. And I would be needing one more visuals for this. This is chiclet slicer. So we'll need that as well. We could have used a normal slicer, but normal slicer won't give you this kind of UI. So that's the reason we have switched to this chiclet third-party slicer. Okay. Before we start with the visualization, this certain needs. So if I go back here, I click on pure this. It says please add at least one data field to your visual before we start. The thing is, we have this we have created this measures here. What it measures does it? We know each coffee has only 4 ingredients, at max at 4 ingredients. So what we did, the image of 4 sections. For each section, we have created a measure that is basically helping us to identify what is the color of that ingredient and what is the text of the ingredient. The formula is pretty simple. Calculate the minimum color if the ingredient is ingredient 4. Similarly, over a text, calculate the minimum value if the ingredient is equal to ingredient. We'll just copy this one. And we'll add a new measure. So we have 4 texts for the basic. These would be used in tooltips. So we have 4 texts for the 4 ingredients. Now we'll create the colors. So we'll do instead of value. Now we have all the measures that are required for the designing of this visual. So what we'll do first is we'll bring all this visual in the value meter field. Medium color, text. Now, once I added the measures in the data field, it has allowed me to edit it. So it gives you two options: either whether you can download a sample from the gallery, or if you have your own design, you can use it. So right now we have our own design. So you can create itself. You can design your visuals in PowerPoint and load the SVG file directly, or you can copy paste it from the clipboard. So right now we already have downloaded the file. Go to download and. So once I download, so it's not showing as of now, but here you can see it has various groups. So basically divided the shape into various groups, and now we have to just fill the colors and the text in that. So like if I just click here, it's a top part. So I will just do custom color. It shows this is the top part, and for top we'll start from bottom to the top. So what we'll do, we'll click on this effects, and we'll take the ingredient 4th color and do apply. And then we also need a tooltip, so we'll go to properties here and show tooltips. Here we'll choose ingredient 4 text. We are done with the top part. Now we'll go in here, use custom color. This is the second top, so we'll choose ingredient 3 color. And ingredient 3. Now we will do the same for the remaining two. We'll go back to this custom color. This is the bottommost part, so we'll take ingredient 1 color. And go to properties. And the last section is there. Now we have added the tooltip and the color for each section. We connect better. And then what we'll do, we'll change the page size, so page size maybe. Some background color. Remove the background from it. Now our shape is here. Now we want a name part that will give us a description. So we'll click on the name part. And we'll bring our description in here. We'll do some that it gives a category, data label, make it size, entity, text color will be white, switch off the background. The last thing we'll add is the slicer. Changing the values. In general, instead of 3 in the column, it is 1. And then this type okay. Okay, so we can see so the text and the text and this is changing, and we can just add the and we can add a header and header we can add. Yeah, so this is the way we can create this, and we can do further customization as per our need. So basically what it allows us, yeah, right now it's doing a multi-select. We need to switch that off as well. So we'll go here, multi-selection off, and show video, and do a first selection. Yeah, so like if we select coffee, view coffee, so it will give us the sections. Okay. So basically for the green coffee, we need green coffee beans and water, and this is a description that you're directly getting from a website here. Equal to green coffee. Okay, that's all what I've done for today. Any questions on it?
A swap in the text box,
Yeah,
the header text box, there are like 2 options which can help us understand that it would be great. Like one is value, other one is review. What are the?
okay, so this value is something like I've already used in a previous session. So let's say you want the count of coffee.
Okay, it's sort of question of sorts that we'll ask the data to get the number, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It will give me this score.
Okay.
The review is basically if you want to review any questions. Based on the slicer, basically you select any, if you have multiple slicer, and based on the slicer you want to select, check whether it's going to show the correct value or not. You can review it and then you can add it to the list.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically instead of creating measures here, you can just put in a question or put in an equation kind of thing in the word on the text format, and Power will understand it and show you the values.